He saw a vast green sea beneath him, and with little ridges moving over it. And he turned his beak sidewards. He started moving his beak sidewards and cawed amusement, happiness. And his parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. Okay, there was a green patch. Okay, pasture was there. His parents and his brothers and sisters were lying on that green flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him. Beckoning means passing a sign of coming towards us. Please come to us. Beckon means passing a sign of coming towards them. Okay, and they were passing a sign of coming towards or coming near them, calling shrilly. They started. That shrill cry expresses that limitless happiness. Okay, it's an extreme happiness, and they were all welcoming him. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. His legs sank into it. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. Actually, when he was getting nearer to his parents and brother birds and sister, and when he was landing down, his legs touched or plunged the water. The moment his legs plunged the water, he thought that he was just dipped down into that water, but he was not. And again he gathered his spirit and started flapping his wings, and he had came little up from the water, and his legs just plunged the water. Okay, the thrust of water. He had just touched the water, and his legs sank into it, and he screamed with fright and attempted to rise again. He started rising again and flapping his wings, but he was tired and weak with hunger. So he had not eaten since 2 days anything, so it caused him weakness. Due to weakness, he couldn't fly anymore. He tried and weak with hunger, and he could not rise. He could not rise. Exhausted, extremely tired. Exhausted means what? Exhausted means what? Exhausted, completely tired out by the strange exercise. It was a strange exercise because it was his first attempt of flying, and his first attempt of flying is really successful, and his feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it, and he sank no farther, and then his belly touched it, and he sank no farther, not farther, further, and he was floating on it. First time he was afraid of water, but when slowly he was diving in the water, flapping his wings, he felt that it was such a good exercise, and he was floating on it, and around him his family was screaming. All the family members joined in, and they all started screaming. Maybe they were encouraging him and making him strengthen, saying that it's easy, you have learned it, and this is what flying, you need not to worry anymore. Maybe through their cries they might have given some strength, they might have strengthened, they have given some support to this bird in order to fly successfully, and praising him, and their beaks were offering him scrapes of dogfish. Two different kinds of fish we have learnt here. First one is herring fish, which has been caught by the older brother of him, and finally all the birds are eating one prey. What is it? It's a dogfish. The scrapes of dogfish they started putting into the mouth of this bird, and the seagull started eating its belly full, because since 2 days it has not eaten anything, and he had been very hungry, and that hunger made him to learn how he had to fly in the open skies. And finally he has conquered the sky, and he had conquered his point even. And sometimes we never learn certain things at that moment, but slowly and steadily we will be learning the lessons of life, and also the things which we need to learn. Thank you, children. I request everyone to read the whole lesson, the part 1, first flight. This first flight is regarding the seagull's first attempt of flying. If you learn word by word, sentence by sentence, you will come across the new vocabulary which has been introduced here, and every single word you need to learn, and you need to practice the new vocabulary. And my homework, okay, will be assigned on this particular lesson, and I request every single student of 10th A should read this, the two stories about flying. The first part is his first flight. Thank you.